Hey everyone, this is Lori, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you the breakdown of how I'm getting paid through the Kidazzler directory for being a contributing member. Now, I'm out on my account. There's my name right there. You can see right there. And there are two things that you can do. You can go to potential or you can go to actual. And I'm going to talk about actual because that is reality right now. Okay, so my actual income, recurring income at this time is $21 per month. And I'm going to show you how that breaks down. Okay, so one of the businesses that I added converted to a paying member. 4 of the businesses that people I invited directly have converted to paying businesses. So that's $2 each that I make. That's $8. And then 3 of the businesses that the people I invited, friends, invitees, however you want to refer to them, they invited people, and 3 of those businesses converted to a paying member, and I get $1 per business for that. So it all adds up to $21. Okay. So I want to go back to so this number here, I'm going to show you how many businesses we've all added together. I've added 85 businesses total. People I've invited have added 7688, and people they invited have added 7209. So that's pretty impressive. Altogether, we have added over, almost 15,000 businesses just from me and the people I've invited and the people they've invited. So my hat goes off to them. Thank you so much for all of the members that have joined through me who have added their businesses and are helping make this an awesome experience. And I hope that they're having as much fun with this as I am. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, so I told you that I was going to get paid $21. Today is payday. Kidazzler pays on the 1st and 2nd of every month for the previous earnings, or the earnings from the previous month. So this is for July. And before that I had $4. Before that I had $2. So it started out pretty low, and it's still pretty low considering how many businesses we've added, but it's going to grow, and I have no doubt that this will continue to increase every month. The momentum is starting to get there. People are starting to learn about it. Businesses are learning about it, and it's going to continue to increase. Let me go ahead and refresh this so you can see that I am not partaking in any shenanigans or falsifying or doing any kind of editing at all. I don't do that. This is an actual. I'll do it again. You can see the time is 10:47. Okay. Nothing is changing. Alright. So there's my payment proof. I did just receive it today. And thank you very much, Kidazzler. Now, there's starting to be a lot of information about Kidazzler online. Some of it is accurate, some of it is not accurate. Basically, if you're not familiar with Kidazzler, Kidazzler is a new app that is being developed, and it's a shared revenue model, and it's very, very unique. There's not many companies out there that actually do a shared revenue model like this without some sort of fee to join. So this is absolutely free for the contributing members. Now, what's a contributing member? A contributing member is someone that joins and adds businesses to the Kidazzler directory. Okay, very simple. There's nothing rocket scientist about it. There is nothing rocket science, about it. It's very easy. You find businesses that are kid-friendly, kid-related. You add them to the directory if they haven't already been added. You lock that business in to your name, and when and if that business decides to become a paying member, you will get paid. Okay. Now, a lot of people have been unfortunately misinforming others, making them believe that all you have to do is add a business and you get paid. That is not true. You do not get paid until a business you added actually pays. Sorry, my leg was itching. Pays to advertise on the Kidazzler directory. Okay? It's that simple. So if the businesses that you add don't convert to paying customers, you don't get paid. But let's say a year on down the line, they decide to convert to a paying member. You'll still get paid. As long as that business is locked into your name, you will get paid if they convert. Okay? So people have to be patient. There's a lot of information. This is my article that I wrote back several months ago. When I first joined. I joined in, it was either late November or early December of 2018. And I learned as much as I could about Kidazzler. I asked a lot of questions, and I wrote an extensive article about it, explaining it very thoroughly. So I hope you'll take a minute and go out and look at it and read through it. I also have several videos, and a link is in this article for those videos as well. Okay, click here to see helpful videos about Kidazzler. Now, something exciting that was just announced yesterday. Now, Kidazzler originally was going to be invitation only until August 1st, and then they were going to open that up to anybody that wanted to join could just go out to the site. And they were also going to grandfather those of us who had already joined previously. We were going to be able to continue to invite people. Okay? But what they've decided to do is make it an invitation-only opportunity going into the future, you know, for an undetermined amount of time. They are not going to eliminate that at all for anybody. So if you join today, you can continue to invite people and build your team of people, and then they can invite people and they can build their team, and so on and so forth. So it is still an invitation only, which, you know, they asked us what we wanted, and we told them. You know, we told them we wanted to keep that feature, and they listened to us. And that's how much they care about their members. They listen to their members. Okay, so that's the cool thing about it. Okay, let's see what else. I explained, you know, basically what phase 1 was, what phase 2 is, and now when they're going to actually launch the app, that is undetermined. They were going to launch it, I believe, in August. I believe they put that off because there were some other options that they wanted to give the businesses that they needed to work on. And so there's, if I understand correctly, there's been a slight delay, but it's still going to happen, and it's going to be awesome for the businesses. I don't know exactly what it's going to be, but it's going to be fantastic. And I'm really excited. I can't wait till it does launch, because I think it's going to be an awesome thing. And I think once businesses see what all Kidazzler is offering the businesses that want to advertise, I think that's just going to entice people and encourage them, businesses, to go ahead and join Kidazzler as members. Okay, so that's all I'm going to talk about in this video. If you want more information about Kidazzler, please read the article, watch the other videos I've posted, go to the Kidazzler blog and read their blog. There's a lot of information out there, and enough, you know, people aren't utilizing the blog enough to learn. And I encourage you, if you do decide to join and you join through my link, contact me. I want to help you. I want to give you some pointers above and beyond what's in this article. Okay? And unfortunately, probably 95% of the people who have joined through my link have not reached out to me, which is somewhat disappointing, but that's their choice. And but if you do, I want to help you. There's a lot of businesses still left to be added. Okay, and there are some little tips and tricks that I've learned and other members have learned that are helping us a lot and able to find businesses that are still available. Okay, so there's a lot of excitement going on. There's a lot of opportunity here. Now, I want to stress that this is a reoccurring monthly income. Okay, all we have to do is find those businesses, lock those businesses in, and Kidazzler will do the rest. Okay? And it's going to be a great app. It's going to be an app for parents to use, for grandparents, for anybody that has a kid or kids wants to use this app will be able to, or the website. So it's going to be great resources. It's not just going to be businesses. It's going to be other resources for parents. And I think it's going to be a really cool thing that is very exciting to be part of. So thanks for watching. Good luck to you. And if you do join, or if you have any questions, please reach out to me. Thank you.